Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 2 of this office building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to set up everything. We set up the levels, we also added the grid lines and the exterior wall. And now we're gonna continue working on this, specifically adding the interior walls. So let's click on the wall or WA. And then let's go and look for generic 150 mm. And then from there, we're going to type in edit type and duplicate. And this will be interior wall number 1. Press OK, edit, and then let's gonna leave it at 150. And let's change the material. So I'm just gonna type in gypsum, and then I'm just gonna use this for now, and let's change the materials later on. Press OK and then OK. So now we're gonna zoom in around the top of this model, and we're going to add offices around the wall right here. So here I'm gonna add a wall first right here, and then press escape, and then by clicking on that, it will recognize that you want this wall to be the dimension from this wall. So at the moment it's 3400. I like that. I'm gonna stick with that 3400. If, for example, you don't, you just simply click on this dimension and type in whatever you want, and it will move along. So I'm happy with the 3400. And then now that we have an interior wall right here, you can just basically click on that and then type in CS or the create similar. So by typing that, you're saying to Revit that I want this kind of wall, and then you will be able to add another wall like that. Press escape, and now I want this wall to be around 3085 from this wall. So once I press enter, it will shift onto that area. But before that, let's add in the wall right here. So it's the same wall. I'm gonna click on that and then type in CS, and then I'm gonna add a wall on this side. Press escape. I'm going to click on that wall, and we have the temporary dimension right here. I want to zoom in on that, and this is around 4300, but I want it to be 4460. So it shifts from there, and it will shift this one as well. So everything is connected all together. Next, I'm gonna add in another wall right here, and then walls again here, and we can just press escape and click on this wall, and I want this one to be 3010. So it shifted a little bit. This one I want it to be 3070. Oh, sorry, 3070. So it's gonna shift. It will ask me to Will you like to unjoin them? Okay, I'll just unjoin them, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna extend this and everything is connected again. And then let's add in the same wall like so. Make sure it's 90 degrees. And then this one, I want to see, I want this one because this one is already 3070, and the last one, I want it to be 3035. So now it went back. So let's add in some dimensions so that everybody can follow along. I'm going to click on each middle of the wall. Okay, so everything is there. You'll be able to follow along. So our office on this side is done. Let's go on the other side and add in the offices on this side. So what I can do is I'm going to click this and then type in CS. What I'm going to do first is click on this wall, and then I'm just going to add in a wall similar to that, but I'm going to finish it off. And then just randomly add 3 walls similar to that, and then click on those walls. Temporary dimension will appear, and now we can just safely add in the number. So give me a second. So this number will be around 2640. So that will shift. This will be around 3120. Oops, so I need to undo this. So 3640. Okay, that's done. You need to click on this wall. And then this will be 3120. Okay, so that shifted. Press escape. Click on this. This will be 3090. Okay, so that shifted. And then lastly, click on this. This will be 2970. So that's good. What we could even do is we could move this one later on. So that will be good. As you remember, this is the level 1. So we will have our lobby here, and our lift or our elevator will be around the middle. So we will do that later on. Around here will be our service entrance. So we're gonna leave it here for now. So we're not gonna do anything here, but instead we're going to concentrate on this area. So give me a second. So let's click on this again. So interior wall number 1 and then CS. Let's go to C2. So that will be right here. So C2, we will need to add a wall right here, but that's temporary. you will need to press escape, and we will need a gap here. So I'm gonna click on this wall. It will create a temporary dimension on this wall to this wall. So the gap should be around 2400. Okay, so it will shift down, and then I'm gonna press escape, CS again, and I'm just gonna connect this wall around all the way down for now. It doesn't matter how long, but I just want to have this wall all the way down. So that's good, because around here we will add in the lift or the elevator. So we have our corridor space right here. That's why we need 2400. It depends on the area that you live in. So our building code specifically will need around 60 to 72, something like that, inches. So for now, 2400 millimeters is good. And then once you do that, we will need to extend this wall around 4 feet. So let's extend this like 1100 or 1200 more. So we could add in 6 and then 3. So it extended a little bit like that. So if we check, we need to have around 1200. Okay, so that's good. We extended this one 1200. And then after that, click on this and then CS, go down. This will be around 27, 25. And then pull it back a little. Let's pull this back around 2090 and close this off like that. After that, we could extend this a little bit. So just press escape, extend this for now. And then we're gonna extend this as well from so we're gonna extend this all the way to this line, this grid line E. Okay, and then we're gonna close this off as well. So first, click on this, CS, go down. This will be around 2170. So close this off. And then again, we could extend this, or we could just, it's easier to have CS so that we could just type in the exact number. So this will be 30, 30, and then just close this. You can type in TR. This is trim and extend under modify, this one. And then just close it off like that. So now we have this. We will have this room to be divided. So click on this, and then let's divide this one in the middle. Okay. After that, we will need to extend this wall all the way to the wall that we created on C that we just extended. So now we're going to add in our stairs or the space for the stairs. So right now, I'm going to click on this wall. This line is the D grid. I'm going to connect it here all the way down. This will be around 2770. I want to make sure that you want to make sure that you're 90 degrees. So mine just shifted. So that's why I did it again. So 2770 down, and then this will be close here, and this will be extended. So you can do TR. So trim and extend, and then we can close it off like that. So that instantly you're closed. So that's similar fillet command in AutoCAD. Now we're getting to the lift area. So click on the wall again, CS, and then we're just gonna connect it here. And this will be 2825. And then I want you to close it off. Again, connect it here. This will be around 2890. So 2890, and then close it off. Again, another lift on this side, 2880, and then close it off. And then this one, just keep on extending it all the way there. We could clean it up later on. Click on this, CS, go down. This will be around 1882 or 1880. Just close it like this for now. And this is around 1500, and close it like that. Click this again. This is 2040. And then what I want you to do is close it all the way down. We will have another stairs here. So CS. So for this one, let's move this one back. And let's just move it on the mid. So this one, just put it in the middle. It will be 40, 40. And I'm gonna give you the dimension later on. I'll create a dimension here and then just remove it afterwards. Click it again, CS. This will be 24, 25. 24, 25. And then this one, it will have the dimension. So this is critical. I need this one to be exact, around 5,000. So CS 5,000. And close it off like that. and then another. This will be 24, 25. And then here, close it off completely. Extend this wall like that. And for this, I just want you to extend a little bit, or we could just extend it all the way to this wall. Okay, don't worry about that. That's not important, but at least this one is done. We just need to do some changes a little bit, but let me do to add dimensions so that you will know exactly what I did. So those dimensions will come out. Okay, so now here are the dimensions. I'm going to place it right there. 27, 25. I added a wall right here all the way down. This is from C. This gap is 2400. And then this, so 2400. And then this one, this is 6360. So this one is 6360. And after you get that, you will need to put in 2425, 2170, 3030. Put a line in the middle. This is 2770, and then put a line in the middle like so. 2900, 2965. This is 2880, 1880 right here. 2160, 2425, and lastly 2425 as well. So those are the dimensions for this. And in the next video, we're gonna continue working on this. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.